Wood floors cracking or splitting is super common, but you can totally keep your floors looking fresh by managing humidity and quick repairs. So first off, you gotta keep your home's humidity steady because wood hates wild swings. It shrinks and expands, which causes cracks and splits. Using a humidifier in the winter and a dehumidifier in the summer can really help with that. When you spot small cracks or splits, grab some wood filler or putty that matches your floor color and fill them in before they get worse. Sand down the filled spots smooth once dry, then seal or refinish to protect the repair. Avoid letting water sit on your floors because moisture can make cracks worse, so wipe up spills pronto. Also, keep your floors clean with a soft broom or vacuum to avoid dirt grinding into cracks. If you notice any nails popping up, hammer them back gently or replace with floor screws to keep the boards tight. Finally, try to avoid super harsh cleaners or chemicals that can dry out or damage the wood finish. One of the biggest mistakes with wood floors cracking or splitting is ignoring the humidity problem. It's the main cause, so fix this by using climate control devices to keep things steady. Another issue is waiting too long to repair small cracks. Leaving them untreated lets water and dirt in, which makes things worse. Use filler and seal it quickly. Lastly, people often use the wrong cleaning methods or harsh chemicals that dry out the wood finish and make cracks more visible. Stick to gentle cleaners made specifically for hardwood floors. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to fixing wood floors and other home needs. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with folks looking for work, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.